Welcome to Surface Embroidery for garments. Our next stitch is an Elizabethan spiderweb, also called a spiderweb rose. So I have marked my 5 points for easier clarity, and I'm going to come up at one of them. And then I'm going to go across. And come up at the next one. I don't want this to be too tight. Down at the next one. And then up at the last one. Now we weave. So I'm going to turn my work. I want to go over the first arm and under the next one. And now I can kind of pull it more towards the center. I prefer to turn my work. It makes it easier. Over the next one, under. And because we have an uneven number of arms, the first arm that I went over, I will now go under. And now I'm going to weave around. I'm not going to pull very tightly with this. If I were to pull tighter, it would squish my spider in closer. When worked with metallic threads, this stitch has a little bit more dimension. Modern version of a spider web is usually done with a different thread for the anchors. And then the weaving is done with a thick thread and sometimes a ribbon. So you can see how using a green for the arms and a floral color for the weaving. Gosh, I hope I've kept this in frame. Would give you a more obvious floral shape. You can make these really big to make them look like coins or medallions. Oh, come on. You can fill it out all the way to the end of the arms, so long as they're not too big, or you can decide when you're done. So let's say we're done. I'm going to go over my last arm and down between them to anchor off on the back.